Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm on my way to Costco. Woo, woo, woo. Now, I'm not going to be able to spend the $5,000 I'd love to spend at Costco. Let me know in the comments if you know what I mean. It is so very easy to spend a lot of money in Costco, but I am going to just I do have a budget, and I'm going to get the things that I really need, and hopefully I can pick up some of the things that I need and a couple things that I want. So come with me as we go shopping. So I have to go and look to see about these paper products, and that will determine how much I can buy. So let's hope they have exactly what I need. But for organics, that is such a good price. So I've already lost count. Okay, we'll figure this out. But I will say right now they're already having all of their Halloween costumes, and their Halloween costumes are amazing. These huge green chilies. So good. I really love Macayos. You just put like 5 Velvetas and mix them together. Perfect for $18. I need to get one of these. Oh, we have so much here. So I need to hurry up and get things that need to go into the fridge and the freezer, and I'll show you right now. Okay, first off, I picked up these Acai Bowls, which if you've never had them, it's kind of like a thicker smoothie, and it looks like it has some fruits, some granola. I got them because Paul is usually quick out the door in the morning, like 6:30 in the morning, which is pretty early. So I thought if he wanted to, he could just grab one of these and let it thaw out and eat it at his desk or something like that. So, and they're organic. So I like to buy things at Costco, then they tend to say organic on a lot of things. So I kind of like that I can get it for pretty cheap and it's organic. So it makes me feel good. But then I go and buy pizza too, so. So you guys, this looks so good. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had these and if you like them. Okay, another thing that I was super happy to buy were these already cut chicken breasts. These are super fast to cook with at night, like when I'm hurrying up and trying to make a dinner. And it's just such a nice addition to having than, you know, just having like frozen chicken breasts or just some fresh chicken breasts. This is already pre-cut. And right now with back to school, we're gonna need a little bit more convenience to get us through these next couple weeks for sure until we get into the schedule. Okay, so the next thing that I got, and I normally don't get these, but they were having such a great sale on them that I thought I needed to pick these up. Like $6.50 for this big box of waffles. So I know the boys like them. I just know they go through spurts with them. But if you wanted to make waffle sandwiches, you could put peanut butter and jelly on them, and they are super good as well. So I'm just gonna put these in the back freezer. And then I picked up these. Don't these look so good, you guys? They are these grilled chicken teriyaki bowls. Again, another thing that I thought Paul could just take. He could have it for lunch, or when I'm just not wanting to make dinner, he could have one of these instead. They look super good, and they were only 10 bucks for all of those. So $6.50, 10 bucks. I also picked up 2 of these. These are our my favorite tortillas. They are uncooked, so you do have to cook them up. So I just take about 1 pack, which is 18, cook them really quick on the skillet, and then just store them in a Ziploc bag in the fridge, and we get through them. I mean, and I like making them for enchiladas. So good. We can't go to Costco without picking up their bulk cheeses. So these sadly are raising in price. So they normally are around $4.89. This today was like $6.89, and I've seen sales around town better than this. So I was a little disappointed, but I still have to get it. And then I picked up this sliced medium cheddar. It's our favorite. It's at Tillamook. Am I saying that right? Tillamook? Muck? So anyways, it's really, really good. So we're gonna keep that in the fridge. I picked up some turkey. That's a 3-pack. So I'll just put 1 in the fridge, 2 in the freezer. And what my goal is on Sunday evening, I'm just going to make a few different kinds of sandwiches. Turkey cheese, peanut butter and jelly, and just keep them in the refrigerator. And so when the boys have their downtime, their lunchtime, they don't have to make something. They could just grab something from the refrigerator really quick. And I'll show you some other things that we're gonna add to that as well. So let me put these away and get the rest out. Okay, so with the sandwiches, I also purchased, which I never ever do, right guys? Do I ever buy these things?
No.
Hardly ever. I don't even know the last time I ever bought one of these classic mixes. I might buy something like this every once in a while, but it's been so long. So you guys, here's my thought process, which with back to school, now is the best time to go to Costco because all of these things for lunches and for breakfast, everything's on sale. $2, $3, $4, $5 off the original price. So this was so much more affordable, and that's why I bought it. So not only are they gonna have the sandwiches in the fridge, they're also going to have a chip choice. Or they could have this for a snack. And I'm also going to lay things out maybe on the counter in the morning, and so that's going to be their snack choice. And I'm hoping that that will make these kinds of things last a little longer if it's already prepared. If I have them do it in the morning, get it out, get it ready, so that way when they're just feeling a little bit hungry, they know what to get. I don't know, between this and online learning, we have to run a tight ship here because we have in between 30-minute live teaching sessions is about 40 minutes of individual work or small group work. If, like, say Jonas is done in like 15 minutes, then he has like 15-20 minutes before the next class starts, which is when he could come and run and get something to eat, enjoy it, and then go back online. You guys, this is going to be difficult. Let me know in the comments if you're feeling my pain. So another snack that I got, which these were on sale too, are these Go-Go Squeezes. Now, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that Ezra loves those Go-Go Squeezes. Now, they tend to be pretty pricey at Costco, but you get a ton of them. So it's like $15, $16 for like 25 of them or something like that. I didn't want to spend that much. So these were on sale, and they're like a bigger version. It says there's 16 in here, and I got them for like $7 or something like that. So I hope he likes it. So I'll have them out on the counter as well, so he could choose these as a snack. I'm excited to have him try it. Okay, another thing that I love at Costco is their bacon. So there's 4 packs here, and it was about $13. So I feel like that's a super good price because very easily I spend about $4, $3.99 or something a pack, and that's on a sale. So, and I like their bacon. Now, I am running so low on cooking spray again. Now this is, I think this is like their original one, you guys. Pure and simple cooking spray. I think people had complained enough about the other way that the nozzle worked. It was like a more greener or something like that, more natural, and I didn't love it. So yay, they're back to normal. Another thing I love getting is the butter. At Costco, you get all of this for like $7, $8, and what a bargain, really, because each one of these, if I can get it on a sale, it's like $2.99 at the local grocery store. So I'm saving money by buying these in bulk. So I got these for Paul's lunches. These were on sale. So this is like 1 bag. So he's gonna have to put them in tiny little bags so to make it last longer, but it was only like $7. So I opted to just get the strawberry jam, you guys, because I am not making jam at this moment, which kind of makes me a tiny bit sad because I love doing it so much, and I make it in the microwave, so it's super easy. So I will definitely make some very soon after this jar is gone. You guys, I was so happy to find these. So I normally find them at Costco anyways, but this is why I'm so happy. They were on a big sale. So they're normally like $15, and I got them, they're $10 or $10.99. each. So I save $4 on each one. I move things all the time or add pictures all the time depending on where I'm at in the bath, like if I'm putting things up in the bathroom or more pictures on the walls. And this makes it so I don't have to put any holes in the wall. I love command strips. And you guys, look, I was so happy to find this. I got bougie tuna in bulk. Oh, so this was $15.99 and there is 6 cans. So normally they're like almost $4 each can, you guys, at the store. Yes, I know. I'm a little expensive. But you guys, this is like 2 to 3 lunches for me in 1 can. So I love this can. I love this tuna. This is my favorite. It's funny because it's upside down. There's hardly any liquid in it, and it comes out and it's like all white meat, like hardly any dark meats. And so, not that I am opposed to the dark meats in tuna, but it doesn't crumble very, like it's like a steak. I mean, it's just, I can't say enough about this. So if you haven't had this, you may want to try 1 can and then decide. I love picking up their eggs. This is like $3 for this many. And I go through a lot, especially this time of year. And with fall coming, I cook more, I bake more. So I'll be probably buying a lot more of these 24 packs. And I picked up some of these, as Jonas has been liking this for in the morning for breakfast. Some English muffins. So we're just gonna have these on hand as well. Easy breakfast in the morning, maybe put some egg and sausage or bacon in them. Super easy go-to breakfast. And then, you guys, I got a pack of toilet paper and paper towels. And they were $16, $17 each, which such a great price. And if you've not had the paper towels at Costco, they are my favorite. They are so big. In fact, I'll show you. So this is like a half sheet. It's huge, right? For a half sheet. And then I would use them in the classroom and they were just perfect size for like some works to cover things and or for snacks and stuff. So you could even use half of it for a kid's snack. They are ideal to have. And then the tissue paper is just something we are stocking up on as a family. Like I said, every time I go grocery shopping, I just want to pick up a little bit here and there. So it's just one less thing I have to deal with in the, hopefully in the account, that it doesn't run out again. That was a nightmare. Come on. And so now I'm starting to just kind of fill up some of our toiletries. I like to have about 6 to 8 months on supply anyways. So for like shampoo and medicines and things like that. So let me know how I did. You want to know how much I spent? $250. So it was a little bit more than what I had planned, but you can see I got lots of stuff and we need this with back to school, you guys. So thanks so much for coming with me to Costco. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if these are some of the items that you get as well, and maybe you can recommend some other things for another time. So have a wonderful day, rollers, and don't forget, I still have merch on sale until August 29th. The link will be down below, and they have cute pink ones, pink shirts. They're adorable, and I bought one for myself. So thanks again, rollers. Have a wonderful day. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.